Calcium Stearate is a white, fine, free-flowing metallic soap widely valued for its excellent lubricating, anti-caking, water-repellent, and stabilizing properties. As one of the most versatile industrial additives, it is extensively used across the plastics, rubber, construction, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, paper, and chemical manufacturing industries. In plastic processing, calcium stearate acts as both an internal and external lubricant, improving material flow, reducing friction during processing, and preventing finished products from sticking to molds and machinery. It is commonly incorporated into PVC compounds, thermoplastics, and polymer formulations to enhance processing efficiency, improve surface finish, and increase product durability. In the construction industry, calcium stearate is widely used as a waterproofing additive in cement, concrete, mortars, and masonry products, where it helps reduce water absorption, improve moisture resistance, and extend the service life of building materials. The rubber industry utilizes it as a processing aid and mold release agent, ensuring smoother production and consistent product quality. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, calcium stearate serves as an effective tablet and capsule lubricant, allowing powders to flow efficiently during compression while supporting consistent production. It also finds applications in cosmetics and personal care products, where it functions as a thickener, stabilizer, and texture enhancer in powders and creams. Additionally, calcium stearate is used as an anti-caking agent in powdered chemicals, fertilizers, and food contact industrial products, preventing clumping and improving storage stability. Thanks to its excellent thermal stability, low toxicity, water-repellent nature, and compatibility with a wide variety of formulations, calcium stearate continues to be an indispensable additive for manufacturers seeking improved processing efficiency, enhanced product performance, and long-lasting quality across numerous industrial applications.